Want to sound more polite in English? Then use these sentences. If you have to say, I want a coffee, then in a polite way, you have to say, I would like coffee please. Next, you are wrong. In a polite way, you are mistaken. Next, don't throw paper here. Would you mind not throwing paper here? Next, what are you saying? Sorry, could you please repeat that? Next, give me your pen. Could I have your pen please? Next, I don't care. In a polite way, it doesn't matter to me. Subscribe for more.